Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Fiza's Diary. It's been a long time since I have uploaded any cooking videos, but now inshallah I'm back and I will be sharing a lot of different food recipes with my lovely subscribers. Anyway, hope you guys are doing good. As you're aware, there's a virus going around which is affecting a lot of families. A lot of families lost their loved one, which is really heartbreaking. So please guys, just stay at home, stay safe, keep washing your hands, and inshallah we can get through this hard time together. And now moving on to my today's recipe. The recipe I'm going to share with my lovely subscriber today is beef lasagna. For beef lasagna, the ingredients I'm using are 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon dry coriander, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 chopped onion, lasagna sheets, tomato pasta sauce or any sauce, lasagna sauce, beef mince, 2 to 3 green chilies, mature grated cheddar cheese, in slices, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese. Add the oil into pan. Once the oil is heated up, add 1 chopped onion and let it cook until it goes brown. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Add mince into onion and ginger garlic. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes with the lid on low heat. While mince is cooking, let's prepare the lasagna sheets. For lasagna sheet, we need to boil the water, add 1 teaspoon salt, just a little tinge of oil, and then add your lasagna sheets and let it cook until they're ready. 20 minutes later, start adding all the spices into mince. 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Add 2 or 3 green chillies at your own preference. After adding all the spices, cook the mince for a good 10 minutes and then add the tomato sauce. looks nice and cooked. At this point, let's preheat the oven on 350 temperature and then start layering up all the ingredients until they're finished. Add 2.5 tablespoons of white lasagna sauce. Spread it all over the mince. And then start layering up with the cheese. And now add lasagna sheets on top. Keep doing this procedure until the ingredients are finished. Add grated cheese, add oregano to garnish, and then lasagna tray is ready to go in the oven. Make sure you bring the temperature down to 250 and let it cook until it's brown from the top. So yeah, beef lasagna is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed my today's video, and inshallah I will be back with different recipes. Also, don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see me cook next. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Inshallah, I will see you soon. Bye. Okay.